In this video, we're going to look at a 500 watt hour portable solar power station, and we're going to take it out camping, put it to the test, and see what all it can handle. So if you guys are following along with my build, you know I've got a solar panel on the roof, I've got it all wired, I got a charge controller, a battery, an inverter. It's a little complicated, but it's probably the most cost-effective way to have a lot of power. But today I'm should be showing a product that kind of combines that all into one. And it makes it really simple. It's basically just plug and play. So it's for people that don't want to have like wires all dangling over the place. So I am going to open this guy up. So this is the bad boy we're going to be opening up today. So it's kind of like a Goal Zero. Goal Zero kind of has like a monopoly on the market of solar related stuff. But I've kind of talked bad about them before because I think they're overpriced. I don't think their products are kind of that great. They're kind of underpowered, but they're simple. That's the thing that people want, is simple, simple, simple. So today I'm checking out this product. The company sent it to me to check it out, test it out. So I'll be opening it up, and then spending the next several days I'll be testing it, make sure it works well. I'll go out camping with it, make sure everything works. So it's kind of a cool product. It kind of combines, like I said, everything into one. It's got an inverter. It's got a battery in it. It just makes it clean and simple. So this is the solar panel. It's 100 watts, but it's pretty small, as you can tell. Let's go ahead and open this one up. Oh, nice. This is sweet. It's kind of a briefcase. Okay, so it folds into 3. Oh no, it's 4. Okay, so this is kind of like that other solar panel I had before. But this thing's cool. It almost looks a little better made. It looks strong. Okay, so I'm going to open this bad boy up. Let's see. I want my big table for this. Let me lower this a little bit. Okay. Let's see what's all in here. Directions. Oh, I don't even know how to pull this out. Maybe I do need those directions. We've got 2 mysterious boxes. Okay, so this is the wall charger. So you can plug it into the wall and charge it. Cigarette lighter charger, so you can plug it into your cigarette lighter. And these are M4 connectors. M4 connectors are kind of the standard in the industry for solar panels. Okay. And here's the actual product. So there she is. First things first, I'm going to charge up the battery with the 100 watt solar panel. The solar panel has these really cool kickstands that help you point it directly at the sun. They're really helpful, especially in the winter, because if you just lay it flat, it's not going to get too much sun. By doing this, I can still get the full sun exposure. So right now, even though it's the evening, I'm getting 70 watts of power coming into the battery. Besides that, the panel has built-in USB as well as multiple adapters, so you can use it without the battery bank. For example, on the right, that's got the alligator clips, and that's for charging car batteries. So if you're out camping and your car dies, you can charge up your battery with just the solar panel. So I've been testing out this solar generator for a little while now. Right now, it's charging my laptop and these LED lights. I just ground some coffee with it. It's handled everything I've thrown at it, but tomorrow we're going to take it out camping. Not in this van, because this van's got electricity, but in my new project vehicle. You guys are going to like it, and we're really going to put this thing to the test going out camping. Make sure it's all rugged and can handle everything we can throw at it. So one of the features that I really like about this is it'll tell you what output you're currently doing. So right now on the AC, which is this side, like your regular wall outlet, I'm using 32 watts. And on the DC side, which is my phone charger right now, you can tell I let it die, so I'm charging it back up. That's taking 14 watts. And then the top one is your input. So right now there's no input going into it. To really test out this portable power station, I want to take it out into the woods. This is my new to me truck. It's a 1989 F350 truck, and I'm really excited for it. It's super powerful, it's in great condition, and I'm going to do a whole lot of fun projects with it. But anyway, this is my camping gear. I've got some cooking gear, I got a chainsaw, my blow up mattress, sleeping bag, the solar generator, as well as a portable heater. So I'm really excited to test out, see if I can use this heater with the battery.
One thing that I really like about this unit is the versatility of charging it. You can't do this on all solar generators, and I really like this about this one, is I can plug it into the wall at the house and charge it at solar panels, or let's say you're going camping and you forgot to charge it, you can just charge it on the way. You just plug this cigarette lighter into your cigarette lighter outlet, and you can charge it on the way to camping. But right now we got a full battery, and the sun's going down, so we are about to head out camping. So for those of you wondering why I'm in this truck instead of my van, is because I bought this truck. So I've been doing more and more tree cutting work on the side of firefighting, and I need a truck to show up at clients' houses, to tow trailers. So I decided to get a truck instead, and I'm in the process of selling the van right now. But I also brought the truck instead of the van because I'm gonna be going on some dirt roads if I can ever get out of this traffic, and I really want to test this truck out and see how it does up in the mountains. I made it up to somewhere I can spend the night, and there's still a little bit of sunlight out there. Missed the sunset though. But let's go set up the back of the truck. I got this new shell, or new to me. I bought it for $100 off the internet, Craigslist, and I'm camping it for the first time tonight. Let's see how it goes. Got myself a nice little place to park on the side of one of the BLM roads, and now we need some light, so let's test this puppy out. I'm gonna turn it on, and then I've got some Christmas lights because it's almost Christmas, and then I got to turn on the AC side. And there we go. Now we're camping. Look at that. That's awesome. This is cool. I really like the look of this. It seems so cozy in here. It's not my van, but I'm really excited to sleep in here tonight. It's my first time sleeping in a vehicle besides my van in a long time. I'm excited. So I'm all ready for bed, and it is getting cold. So I'm cuddled up. But this is a perfect chance to test out this battery and really push it to the limits. Because you're not really supposed to use electric heaters with batteries because it really uses a lot of power. But I've got an electric heater, and I'm going to use it on this battery to see if it works and to see if it can warm me up. It's starting to snow outside. It's kind of cold. One of the cool things about this battery power station is that it tells you how much watts you're using. So this can go up to 300. So let's see, the heater's warming up right now. 260, 269, 270. Okay, so it's gonna stay around there. So, oh yeah, it's warm. Oh, this is gonna warm this place up real nice, real fast. It's so cozy in this little truck camper. I love it. So this is using a lot of watts, 212. You can do all the fancy calculations to figure out exactly how long you can run different wattages, but I think it's only got a couple hours it could actually run this heater, but that should be plenty. It can warm this place up, and if I get cold I can turn it on for a little bit. Okay, so this battery has handled pretty much everything I've thrown at it. I'm charging my phone, got the heater, got all the lights on right now, but I got one more thing I want to test. Yep, I brought a TV. I decided to throw a TV in the truck just to see if I could watch TV, which sounds stupid out here. But I'm gonna give it a go, see if I can watch TV in the middle of nowhere. No way. It's honestly not even using that many watts. 25 watts. And I've got it hooked up right now so that my phone is a hotspot. So let's see if this works. Take me to Netflix.
Here's Netflix.
This is crazy. Oh, that's funny. I can watch Netflix in the back of my truck, running it off of a TV on a battery. And honestly, it's only using 31 watts right now, which is like a tenth of how much I was using for the heater. So I think I could watch TV all night, which I'm not gonna do, but if I wanted to, I could watch TV all night long inside of here. So it snowed like all night last night. There's gotta be, I don't know, a foot of snow on the ground right now, but I barely made it home. My camera battery was out of battery, so I couldn't film anything. But then I remembered I can just charge it. So this guy did pretty good. The battery went down a little bit during the night because of the temperature, but once I got the cab all warmed up, it popped right back up and charged up my camera, no problem. So just to summarize everything, I'll go over it again. This is the Suaoki, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's the 500 watt-hour portable battery and solar generator. It's got two 100 volt outlets, and I like this because you can turn these on and off. So this is the AC on and the DC on and off. That way you're not draining the battery when you're not using it. You got your DC side, two USB, C-type charger, cigarette lighter, and these are your inputs. And overall it worked really well. I know they're doing like a Black Friday and a Christmas sale, so you can pick this guy up for $370, I want to say. And they also have a 400 watt-hour solar generator, which is the same amount of power. This one's got more power than the Goal Zero Yeti 400, but they also have a 400, this company, and theirs is $270 right now, I think. So it's like $200, almost $200 less than the Goal Zero one. And I think it's worth it. I think it's a great quality product. It's really user-friendly, which is nice. You don't have to plug in all these wires, and I really liked it. So I'll put all the links in my description for this guy, the 400 watt-hour one, and the solar panel. So if you guys are interested, check them out. I really enjoyed working with it, and I'm looking forward to using it more in the future. I think it'll come in handy a lot when I'm out camping, especially if I do end up selling the van and I'm living in this truck now. Oh, we'll see what happens. I'm not sure what I'm doing with my life right now. Anyway, have a good one. I'll see you guys later.